Everyone assumed the Galaxy Z Flip 8 story was already written. Slimmer body, better hinge, Snapdragon inside, job done. But just when things were starting to feel predictable, a new report out of South Korea throws a massive curveball into the mix. Because Samsung might be about to do something bold and slightly risky. Instead of leaning on Qualcomm again, Samsung is seriously considering powering the Z Flip 8 with its own brand new Exynos 2600. Yep, the same Exynos line that people love to argue about every single year. And this time, it's not just another refresh. This one has just entered mass production, and it's built on Samsung's 2-nanometer process. That alone makes this a big deal. According to The Bell, internal discussions are already happening between Samsung's LSI and MX divisions about putting the Exynos 2600 into the Galaxy Z Flip 8. And the reason this is even on the table is because early performance testing has reportedly gone better than expected, especially in prototypes linked to certain Galaxy S26 models. But here's where things get messy. This new report clashes directly with what we heard back in October. That earlier leak claimed Samsung was working on a 2-nanometer version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, and that this upgraded Snapdragon was basically locked in for the Flip 8. So right now, inside Samsung HQ, it's Exynos versus Snapdragon all over again. And let's be honest, Exynos doesn't exactly have a clean track record. Even the current Flip 7, which runs on the Exynos 2500, didn't exactly blow anyone away when it came to raw performance or efficiency. That reputation is still hanging over Samsung, whether they like it or not. But Samsung is clearly trying to flip the narrative with the Exynos 2600. On its product page, the company is making some big promises. They're claiming up to an 11.3% jump in generative AI performance thanks to a revamped NPU. CPU performance is supposedly up by 39%, and on top of that, the platform adds support for the new AVP codec. On paper, this is a huge leap forward. Of course, we've all been burned by on-paper improvements before. Specs don't always survive real-world use, especially when thermals and battery life come into play on a compact foldable like the Flip. The good news is we won't be walking into this blind. If the leaks are accurate, the Galaxy S26 series is going to be our preview. Reports suggest the base and plus models of the S26 could launch with the Exynos 2600 in certain regions, while the Ultra sticks with Snapdragon. That launch, which could happen as late as February, will basically be the Exynos 2600's trial run. If the performance holds up there, if the efficiency is solid, and if Samsung doesn't have to throttle it into the ground, then suddenly the idea of an Exynos-powered Z Flip 8 doesn't sound so scary. It could actually be impressive. But if history repeats itself, well, Snapdragon envy is going to hit hard all over again. So this really is a make-or-break moment. If Exynos 2600 delivers, Samsung might finally silence years of criticism and turn the Z Flip 8 into a genuinely powerful foldable. If it doesn't, this decision is going to be questioned for a long time. Now, I'm curious what you think. If the Galaxy Z Flip 8 launches with Exynos inside, is that a deal breaker for you, or do you care more about how it performs in real life? Let me know down in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of all the Galaxy S26 and Flip 8 leaks as they happen, make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you in the next one.